Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me, and I hope everyone is doing well. I have Coco and Reno's November monthly dies to show you in this video, and some projects that I've made using the dies as well. And I just also want to thank Coco and Reno for allowing me to be part of their design team for the last few months. It's been really fun working with them and using their dies and being able to make some projects and share with you the projects and hopefully give you some inspiration as well. So we'll go ahead and I'm going to show you the dies first quickly. Their dies are great quality. They cut so well, and you get a whole heap in the pack as well. Like, look how many dies you get in this November monthly kit. It's the Happy Holidays theme, which is also a Christmas theme die set. So you get quite a few, and you also receive your dies in this really lovely bag as well when you subscribe to their monthly die subscription. I'll put the details down below for Coco and Reno to get all the information that you need to be a subscriber of their dies as well. But I'll just show you some of the projects that I've made. And I made a simple note card with the Happy Holidays word sentiment die and one of the little snowflakes. And then on the inside, I also placed their joy word sentiment on the inside of the card, and then I could write on the bottom there. So I made this cute little note card, and I also made these fun tags with the Christmas tree dies, and I'll just show you that one. You get two different size Christmas tree, and they have these little hearts in the middle, and then when you cut it out they punch out the little hearts, and then you can also use the little hearts as well. So I used both of these Christmas tree dies, and then I just placed I fold one and then I place it on top of the other one just to give it a more dimensional look. And this is the other one, and I did post the photos on my Instagram as well, so if you wanted to have a look, these are on my Instagram page. And then I just placed some white tulle on the top, and again I used the little snowflakes on the corner as well, just to give it more decoration on the tag. So that's those. And I also made this 4x4 flip book that I'm going to be gifting this to someone, and this was a really fun little flip book to make. And I've got here a heart-shaped tassel charm dangle on the front page, and I've got some tulle here to keep it as a closure. And the paper that I use here it's by Kaisercraft. I can't remember what paper collection it is, but it's a really nice mint and silver coloured Christmas pattern paper. And this is the same Christmas tree die I've got here on the front. I've got some vellum that I die cut, and again these are the little snowflakes. And then on the inside of the flip book, I embellished this page with the larger snowflake. I think a snowflake, I'm not too sure what you call them, but I used some silver paper and I adhered that there. And this is the Happy Holidays word sentiment again that I've placed there. And there's a joy word sentiment, and inside the envelope I've got a little note for who I'm sending it to, and I've given her some of the Christmas tree dies for her to use, and that goes in there. And then these are just some of the cut parts from the Kaisercraft collection. And then in here is the pocket, and I've got in here just a whole heap of goodies that she could use. I've got some Velcro dots. These are little banner type little mini tiny note cards that she could use. I've got some flower die shapes and some ephemeras as well. So this is all to be gifted to her. I won't say her name in case she's watching. And I've also made a fabric flower paper clip, and that's the pocket. I have a tutorial on how you can make one of these. It's really easy. All it is just a piece of paper that you just cut out at 4 inches by 12 inches and scoring it at 4 and 8, and then you just fold one panel over to the other side, and that gives you the pocket, and then you just glue at the bottom there. So it's a very easy style pocket flip book that you can make. So I wanted to just share with you these really fun projects using COCO and Reno's November monthly dies, and also some of the projects that I made. And again, I'll put all the details for their, pop that back in there so I don't forget anything, for their dies, and if you wanted to subscribe to their monthly die set. So I do hope you enjoyed my project share, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.